Hey, gals and guys, it's Chris Mosher from MyMediaHelper.com, and this time out, I'm uploading all my YouTube videos to Facebook. I'm actually going to do some separate videos about uploading videos to various different services, but I just wanted to touch upon an issue that I am having, a known issue with Facebook, about your videos being stuck in processing. And I farted around with it a while. I tried to look for an answer for it, and nothing was very satisfactory. So I did find kind of a fix to it that was fairly easy. So let's start with this first one. Basically, what I do here is I just click on here and just highlight the video that's in processing. As you see here, this is how to find affiliate marketing links. Okay, and then I create post with video. And this should pop up here. And then I'm going to go next. And then I will go next. Or publish, sorry. And we'll let it do its thing. So it's going to process through. The thing is, it's not really processing. The video's already processed. Even though it says down here that it's under processing, it's already done. The one thing you got to keep in mind is you need to go back in and reset the thumbnail. So just hit that. The thumbnail was already there. And as you can see, it's published. It's published already. And you also want to make sure it's back on your playlist. So this one's a quick tip. You have to go back and do both those things. So make sure once you do this trick, make sure you redo your thumbnail, which is already there, and just put yourself back in. If you're doing playlists, just put it back in a playlist. Just save. All right, and then as you see, so how to find affiliate marketing link, as you can see there. So we'll just do a refresh here. Okay, and there's the video right there. And then, so there is another step to this process. So as you're going to see, this video is still here. So what I tried to do is just delete it. And look what happens when you try to do that. It doesn't go anywhere. So basically, the next step you need to do is just hit edit. Go to publishing. Go to expired. Actually, schedule expired, actually. Okay, so you want to delete this. Actually, I'm just going to expire it for now. I'm going to save. Okay, and then so here you can see that it's expired here. And then you can go ahead and delete that sucker. Okay, and if we do a refresh, and we scroll down a little bit, it should be gone. So here, I just want to make sure. Last one I did was lesson 1. And lesson 1 should be up here. Okay, and then that one, okay. So let's do it one more time here. So we'll find another one that's that hasn't processed through. Okay, I'm going to click on this right here, this check mark. I'm going to create a post for this video. All right, it's all the same deal. I'm just going to hit next, publish now, all this good stuff. Just let it do its thing. Again, you don't really have to wait for this to do anything. It's already processed through. The only thing you do have to do is go up to the top. Make sure you edit it. Edit it. Edit it. All right, go into thumbnail. Hit your thumbnail. All right, I'll go save there. Excuse me. So recover, get back, permanent, deleted. So-and-so's. All right. right, and then there's that one. There's that lesson one. There's the affiliate one there. Actually, you know what? I think I already did this one. Get recover, get permanent deleted, get permanent deleted. Okay, I don't think I. Why is that? 213. So that's 321, and that's 313. So I think I know what's going on there. Some of these videos you can ask for a preview of the video. So if I go down here, yeah, it's recover. It's going to give like a little preview of what the video is going to be about for about 5-6 seconds, and then it goes right into the video. So that's where that extra time is coming from. And then for this particular one, I think it just starts from where it's supposed to start from. Yeah, but that's a duplicate video. I don't need that. So, which is fine because I can show you just to do what to do with that. It's not a big deal. I am just going to go into my published. All right, so I'm just going to delete this sucker. All right, because I already had a duplicate of it there. I just didn't delete this. So I think what happened is I tried to do it twice and it was stuck in processing twice. So there's actually 2 of these on here, but so we're going to go into edit. And I'm going to expire. You can do schedule expire. You can do expire, and either or is fine. I'm just going to do expired. Save. And I'm going to do a refresh. And we'll go down to where that expired video is. Just going to find it. Did it delete? It might have deleted. Goulash. Excuse me. Oh, it might have deleted. All right, that one's gone. All right, that one's still there. All right, beautiful. So we'll go to the next one here. We'll do lesson 3. And I'll get my big dopey head out of the way here. And again, we will highlight it. We'll put a check in there. We're going to create a post with a video. All right, and we're just going to hit next. And we're going to hit publish. Okay, we can get rid of this again. We don't need that. It's already processed through, so the video is already live, already done. This one is processing again, which is interesting. Let's go into this one. That hasn't happened before, but it is published here. See, it wasn't like that before. You couldn't view post before. That's fine. Just go in and save the thumbnail. Oops, go in again. See how it's published now. Going again. I forgot one step here. Put it back into a list. All right, and we'll save that. And then we'll go down here. And then once again, I want to expire now. And if you do it this way, you're going to see show 2 posts. I want to expire the one on July 19th. That was the first one. July 15th is this morning, today. Holy crap. It's almost 1 o'clock in the morning. I wonder I'm dragging. So we'll expire. All right. So that should be expired if we did this right. If we go down to lesson 3. Oh, did it delete it for me? It must have expired and deleted. I must have deleted it. Okay. So as you can see, 3 is gone. There's 4. And then so forth and so on. So I will go up. I'll do another one. And just so you can see it again, I will check that box. I'll create posts. All right. I'll hit next. And I'll hit next. All right, it's going to do its thing. You don't need to wait for that. You're going to go into Edit Post. You're just going to make sure the thumbnail that you want is on there. Save. Oh, I keep forgetting. Then you go in and make sure you put it in the proper list, which this is training videos. Okay, as you can see, it's published. I'm going to show you that it's published in just a moment. Okay, I'm going to expire now. Again, there's 2 videos. There's a couple ways you can do the expire now. You can go in and edit the video, or you can do it this way. Again, the first time was the 9th. Today's the 15th. Expire that baby. It's expired. And so signing up for healthcare would be the next one. So let's see if it's signing up. Oh, okay. So I don't necessarily have to go in and delete it. All I have to do is refresh. I didn't know that before. I didn't try that before. So as long as you expire it, do a refresh, it should be gone for you. And then it's freshly published up there because it's already processed through. For some reason, just the Facebook service is hanging these particular videos, or showing at least that they're still in processing when they don't necessarily need to be. So if we just refresh this. And someday here. So here is, should be my training videos. It's an hour and 1 minute. And actually, if I go here, I can show you better. So there you go. There's 3 and 4, lesson 3, lesson 4 for my training videos, and so on. So I will just go back and do the other 2, and then I will proceed getting the rest of my stuff up. If you're trying to go in order, I would kind of hang out a bit to see what happens if you need them in order of publishing. I didn't fart around with the dates or anything, so you might be able to change the publishing and move them up and down. But that's how you correct that processing error that you're getting from Facebook. That's the best way I've found so far, and it works pretty well. And it's, yeah, I'm happy. Get my stuff back up. All right, gals and guys, sorry I'm kind of dragging on this particular video. It is very early in the morning, and I get to go to work in 5 hours. So exciting for me. All right, guys and gals, please join the channel because still trying to grow. And if you could share, that would be most awesome. Like if you got something out of this video, and hit the bell for updates. And I will catch you later. All right, guys and gals and guys, bye-bye.